Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are discussing prostate gland. What is prostate gland? Prostate gland is a part of vital male reproductive system. It is situated beneath our urinary bladder and in front of our rectum. As a man you are, so this prostate as it is that you are looking at it, for example, this is the bladder and the whole of this area here is the prostate gland. Prostate gland is grouped into 4 zones, and if you can look at it very well here, the first and the largest zone here that you can look at it is called the anterior fibromuscular stroma, which is this one. Then if you look at the red part here, which I labeled, is a part of the prostate zone that surrounds the prostatic urethra. If you can look at it here, this is a prostatic urethra. This is the urethra. So it surrounds the urethra of the prostate. So this area here, it is called the transitional zone. The transitional zone. And I can tell you that transitional zone is the area that can easily affected with enlargement of the gland, which is known as benign prostatic hyperplasia. This is a third zone of our prostate gland, is called the central zone. This central zone you are seeing here, this green you are seeing, is being surrounded with ejaculatory ducts. So the ejaculatory duct passes through the central zone of our prostate gland, which is the third zone of our prostate. Now, this blue here that you are seeing, this very blue you are seeing here, is the posterior aspect of our prostate gland, and it is called the peripheral zone. Peripheral zone. This peripheral zone is 75% vulnerable to malignancy, which is cancer. The area that can easily get affected with the cancer in the prostate gland is called the peripheral zone. And then the area or the zone that can easily get enlarged, which is not cancer oriented or cancer related, is called the transitional zone. That is why as a sonographer, you see the median lobe of the prostate protruding into the urinary bladder, blocking the prostatic urethra here or constricting it, making the man to feel urge of urinating always. So you should bear in mind now that the area that is responsible for enlargement of the prostate gland, which is called BPH, is mostly from the transitional zone, while the area that can be affected easily because of the medical factor or the DHT, dihydrotestosterone, as a result of imbalance between the estrogen and the testosterone, is the peripheral zone.